Hello students. So some questions of this chapter energy I have solved in my previous video. More questions are here that I am going to solve it now. Okay. So I hope you all are ready to get the correct answer. Yeah, very good. So now let's start the class with this question. The question is, name the type of energy possessed by the following. Following means what? A moving cricket ball. So a moving cricket ball has which type of energy? Kinetic energy. Because you know what is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is what? Kinetic energy of a body is the energy possessed by it due to its state of motion. Clear? So due to its what? State of motion. And if it is moving means what? It has motion. Okay. Now next, a stone at rest on the top of a building has which kind of energy? Potential energy. Clear? So potential energy means what? Means the energy possessed by the body due to its state of rest or position is called as what? Potential energy. Next is the stretched rubber band. A stretched rubber band has which kind of energy? Potential energy. Okay, so when a stone at rest on the top of a building means it is talking about the position of the body, and a stretched rubber band, this is talking about what? This is talking about that the body is at rest or in motion. Clear? Now next is a compressed spring. A compressed spring has what? A compressed spring has a potential energy, and that potential energy is stored in it, which is equal to the what? Which is equal to the work done on the spring in bringing it to the compressed state. Clear? Next is the moving bus. A moving bus has which kind of energy? Kinetic energy, because whenever there is a motion in a body, then that energy is what? Kinetic energy. Okay. Now next is a bullet fired from a gun. A bullet fired from a gun, which kind of energy that it means a body possesses? So body possesses what? Yes, kinetic energy. Next is the water flowing in a river. Of course, flowing means what? Motion. The body is in motion. So which kind of energy? Answer will be kinetic energy. Okay. Now give one example to show the conversion of potential energy to kinetic energy when put in use. Okay, so very good example is, I've explained this example in the previous video also. Clear? So this is the very good example of the conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy. So in figure A, you can see that the compressed spring has what? A compressed spring has a potential energy. Clear? Compressed spring has potential energy in it due to its compressed spring state. Clear? And here you can see in figure B, you can see what? That when the compressed spring is released, when the compressed spring is released, here you can see when it is released, then what happened? The potential energy changes into kinetic energy, and which does work on the ball. And then what happened with the ball? It make the ball to fly away. Clear? So this is the best example to show that that potential energy converts into kinetic energy when it is put to use. Next is the state the energy changes that occur in the following. Yes, which one is? First is what? The unwinding of a watch spring. So it has which kind of energy? Potential energy. Clear? So a wound up spring has potential energy. Why it has the potential energy? Why it has the potential energy? Because of its wound up state, and as the spring unwinds itself, then the potential energy changes into which kind of energy? Kinetic energy. Clear? So in kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy does work in moving the arms of the watch. So in unwinding of a watch, the potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Another one is burning of water. Another one is burning coal while operating a steam engine. So in this, chemical energy changes into which kind of energy? Heat energy. Okay. Now next is lighting of a torch bulb. In this, chemical energy converted into which kind of energy? Light energy. Whereas in electric generator, mechanical energy converted into what? Electrical energy. Clear? In generator, mechanical energy converted into electrical energy, and that is why when there is no light and we use generator, then with the help of it we get the power, we get the light. Clear? Now next is give two examples to show the conversion of energy from one form to another form. So example is, best example is given here. I have explained this, photosynthesis. So in photosynthesis, what happens? In photosynthesis, light energy converted into water, light energy converted into chemical energy. So plants during photosynthesis change the light energy received from the sun into chemical energy of food. Okay. Now next is a table fan. In table fan, what happened? Electrical energy converted to mechanical energy. Okay. So in an electric motor, like in table fan or in any kind of fan, what is there? Motor is there. Clear? So the electrical energy changes into mechanical energy, and this energy rotates the axle of motor, means we can say the blades of the fan. Now next is give one relevant example for each of the following transformation of energy. So let's see what is there. Electrical energy, you have to give the example that electrical energy to heat energy. So when electrical energy converted to heat energy, in which you will find this? You will find it where? In the heater. Clear? In the room heater, what happens? In cold, when the weather is very cold, then especially in winter, then when we feel very cold, then that time we use the room heater. And in the room heater, what happens? As we supply the electricity to the room heater, after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we start feeling warm. This is because of what? Electrical energy converted into heat energy. Next is the electrical energy to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means what? Doing some work. So best example is washing machine. In washing machine, when we provide the electrical energy, it does mechanical energy. Now next is electrical energy to light energy. So the best example is what? Tube light. In tube light, as we switch on the light, what happen? The tube light on, and when the switch is on, the tube light starts giving the light. Means electrical energy converted to what? Light energy. Next is a chemical energy to heat energy. Very good example, cooking gas. Cooking gas means what? LPG. Clear? So in this, what happened? Chemical energy converted to heat energy, and we are able to cook the food. Next is chemical energy to light energy. Best example, just now we have discussed, torch, bulb of the torch. Now next, what do you mean by conservation of mechanical energy? So the answer is very clearly I have written here. I hope you will find it very easy. You don't have to turn the pages, you don't have to find the answer, because it is not given very clearly in the topic. So the sum total of potential energy and kinetic energy remains constant if friction is ignored. This is about the conservation of water. This is about the conservation of mechanical energy. Clear? Because conservation of energy and conservation of mechanical energy, these two things are different. Clear? And their expression is also different. So don't mix it while writing. Generally students, what they do, they in this type of question, means when it is asked about the mechanical energy, they simply write the conservation of energy. But no, when it is asked about the conservation of mechanical energy, then this will be the correct answer. Only this will be the correct answer. Clear? Now next is a ball is made. A ball is made to fall freely from a height. State the kind of energy possessed by the ball when it is. when it is what? Different position given here at the highest point. I have discussed in the previous video also, very detailed I have discussed on this topic. So at the highest point the ball has what? Potential energy, maximum potential energy. So in this potential energy is maximum and kinetic energy is what? 0. Just in the middle, when we talk about in the middle, then half of the potential energy, this potential energy converted into what? Half of the potential energy, means this potential energy converted into half kinetic energy, means half potential energy is there and half kinetic energy is there. And at the ground the kinetic energy is what? Maximum. Clear? So at the ground the potential energy is 0. Clear? Like here the kinetic energy is 0 and here what? The potential energy is 0. Okay, now next, state the changes in form of energy while producing hydroelectricity. So in detail I have discussed about the production of hydroelectricity in my previous video. Clear? So here you can write changes like this, that state the changes in form of energy while producing hydroelectricity. So first what happened? Potential energy converted into what? Kinetic energy, and then kinetic energy converted into electrical energy, and we get the electricity from the water. Clear? You know the whole process, because I have discussed also that this hydroelectricity work on the principle of what? Hydroelectric power plant. And in this the flowing water of a river is collected in a dam at a high altitude, and the water stored in the dam has potential energy. So first is what? Potential energy. Then what happened? When water from the dam falls on the water turbine, means potential energy converted into which kind of energy? Kinetic energy. Yes. So when it is fall on the turbine of the turbine, then what happened? The potential energy converted into kinetic energy. And then this kinetic energy, so there is a conversion of what? Kinetic energy. Then this kinetic energy of the water is transferred to the blades of the turbine as the kinetic energy which rotates the turbine. And as the turbine rotates, then it rotates the armature of a generator to produce what? Electricity. So we can say that from electric energy it is converted to what? Electrical energy. And like this we get electricity from the water. Okay, so now next question is very easy. A truck starts from rest on a plain road. What are the possible energy changes taking place while the truck is in motion? So the first thing is that when truck starts, means what? When truck starts means potential. Truck has which kind of energy? Potential energy. So potential energy converted into what? Potential energy converted into kinetic energy. Clear? Now when the truck starts moving, then what happens? Some kind of change in energy takes place in the motor also. Clear? Means we can say the engine of the truck also. So in the engine of the truck, this chemical energy converted into what? Mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy force the truck to move ahead. Clear? So two kinds of two change of energy occurs here. First, that when the truck is at rest, then potential energy it has, and as it starts moving, then the potential energy converted into kinetic energy. As it starts moving, then what happened? There is some work going on where? In the engine of the truck also. In the engine of the truck, chemical energy converted into mechanical energy. So this changes occurs when truck starts from rest on a plain road. Clear? This much is only for this. All the question answer of I have done of chapter energy. I hope each and every answer have become very clear to all of you. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day.